Hi friends, the team Crash and Smash presents the topic called waste management. First of all, what is waste? We humans depend on many things on environment to satisfy our various needs, and in the process of development we generate or produce a lot of things which are actually of no use to us. This is called waste. And why do we waste things? We often buy plastic food, bottled drinks, canned food, etc. And what we do exactly after having it is we just throw outside because they are no longer useful and unwanted, defective, old, or worthless. And what about the leftover food, vegetables from the kitchen? Yes, even that goes into our dustbin. We discard lot of things like the old newspaper, plastics, cardboard wrapping, broken objects, and the list just continues. We discard or throw away such things because they are no longer used to us. Also, waste to one person may not necessarily be waste to another person. We normally get rid of the waste generated at home by keeping our bins outside the house, right? But is that the end of it? No. The waste undergoes series of processes, right from its collection, segregation, transportation. Some wastes are even treated and they finally disposed of. And then sources of waste. In this, we have domestic waste, industrial waste, clinical or biomedical waste, agricultural waste, animal waste, nuclear waste, and mineral waste. And then we have separation or segregation. How to do that? There are many various to classify the waste. According to the kind or form of waste, they are classified into three categories. First one, solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. Solid waste can be seen easily and also can be separated easily, like industries, mining, domestic, or construction. And then liquid waste are mainly are from industries and home. And the gaseous waste includes poisonous gases from various industries. On the basis of amount of moisture, it's of two types. First one wet waste and second one dry waste. According to their effect on life and environment, there are two types, hazardous waste and non-hazardous. First one, the hazardous name itself says some kind of danger or risk. They are toxic and harmful, inflammable, very reactive, corrosive, explosive, maybe from hospitals, industries, and domestic. And non hazardous means the name itself says that there is no dangerous or risk. According to their properties, we have two types, biodegradable and non biodegradable. Biodegradable says that organic waste can be easily broken by microorganisms, and non biodegradable says that it cannot be broken by microorganisms. It remains on earth until we properly manage them. And finally, why we need to study about waste is when left uncared cause serious health hazards. Many aquatic animals die every year because of plastic bags only. Many terrestrial animals like cows, dogs, birds eat plastic from dumping sites, ultimately leads to their death. And finally, what we want to convey is don't waste anything unnecessarily. Use waste in a proper way. Thanking you for this, and special thanks to Ms. Chandrakala ma'am for giving us